I have a gun. I wanna be a gangbanger. Let's see. When I was in school, this fucking fool, he was a teacher. I brought my heater to school. He said, man, is that a gun? This is first grade. You're only 7. I said, what? You trying to get capped, bitch ass teacher? You don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with Peter. I remember the day when I was 8. I shot myself in the leg. Actually, it was my fucking nutsack, but okay. I tell people it was the leg. I blew off one of my nuts. It sucks. Yeah, I'm a real thug. Been thugging since I was 2. I remember this bitch ass fool tried to walk up into my crib. I mean, not my house, but the kind with the bars I walk. But I wasn't walking far, I was 2. But I wasn't gonna let no fool get the jump on me. Hell nah. I had my gap by the time I was 4. They wouldn't sell it to me at the store. I got this homeless man outside. He smiled and his mouth was smiling wide. He said, I got a deal for you, young man. I found this here weapon underneath the bridge in the creek. All the serial numbers are scratched off, but I'm sure that don't mean jack squat. Sure that it's okay. How much money you spending today? I was 4. I said, I have this many. Later on, when I was 10, my older brother told me that the money I spent was equal to $10,000 in cash. I paid $10,000 for a Gap I stole from my dad. Apparently it was my college fund. I spent it on a gun. When I was 15, my dad told me he don't even care if he had a psychic mirror. He would spend it on himself. There's no way in hell my dumbass going to college. I don't have that much knowledge in my head. Then he asked me something, a question that still rings through my head. He asked me, what's 4 plus 10? To this day, I still try to figure that one out. And I'm fucking 27 now. But anyway, by the time I got to 5th grade, I was in a gang. One, the Crips or the Bloods, we were called. The puppy loves. Yeah, the puppy loves. They weren't no 5th grade gang. They actually banged. I was the youngest in the set. The youngest one yet. Everybody else in that gang was, I think the youngest guy was like 21. The rest were like in their late 20s. The leader was a guy named Steve, and he was 23. I got my friend Matt to join that set. He was the same age as me, in the same grade as me. He didn't last too long. One day he was doing a ride along with these guys I know. Latrice was driving. My homie Matt was in the back. In the passenger seat there was Mac and another guy named LaFrank. They was rolling up on their enemies, this local gang. They were called, what were they called? They were called the Pappy Coleslaw gang. The Pappy Coleslaw gang, they don't play. Hell nah, they bang. And guess what? We thought we was getting the jump. We got some inside information that this is where the books were staying, yet they would not be expecting us. Well, they fucked up. Because they knew right away what the fuck it was. They had their gaffs, they was pointed at us, and they started to bust. And well, Matt. Rest in peace, Matt. You should have seen his dad. Never seen a man so confused and so grief-stricken before that day. I think his dad's name was Dave. Anyway, I had to talk to a gang task force officer. He was like, son, you know someone got killed last week? Yeah, no shit, dumb fuck, Mr. Police. That was my homie. That fool owed me like $10. Now I'm not even going to bother. I was gonna walk up and ask his father and be like, yo, I know your son just died, but he owes me like 2 fives. And I'm pretty fucking pissed that he died to get before he could pay his debt. I bet that shit was no accident. Probably died so he could avoid paying me back. I know Matt, he would definitely pull some shit like that. But I did not ask because, well, his dad ended up doing some fucked off shit. They was lowering Matthew's old casket into the ground. And then his dad started yelling, don't take my son down. And then he started crying. He fell on his knees. And I was like looking around like, geez, how embarrassing. Everyone was staring and shit. I was like, damn, he's a little old bitch. I would never cry for no kid. Men don't cry. Shit, I ain't even fucking 11 yet, and I know that shit no lie. What a pussy. I grew up. At least I thought I was grown. I was 15 years old, and I had moved up in the set, still reppin' puppy love, still fucking with them fucking bums, the Pappy Coleslaw gang. At this point, I've already fucking slain about 10, especially this one dude stands out above the rest, cause his name was Jess. We were friends once, when we were like 5, maybe 6. We used to go and fucking do some shit, spend the night at each other's house, and play video games until the sun came out. He was a good buddy until I found out he joined the Pappy Coleslaw gang when he was 15 and I was 13. I was like, homie, why the fuck you doing me so dirty? You know them Pappy Coleslaw gangs, I cannot associate with no fools. He said, shit, I know the fucking rules. You ain't gotta tell me, little homie. Go off to your fucking puppy fuckers, little man. I said, little man, you got life fucked up now, Jess. Just 'cause you think you a big man, you gotta puff out your fucking chest. Man, I'll fuck you up, son. Watch your back, bruh. So he did not. He got caught by me and my homie, fucking DeQuante and DeMarcus, and we fucking busted his bitch ass fucking retarded. Every shot hit his target, right on the mark. I went hard when I was 17. There was this guy I knew, he was in a gang, not the Pappy Coleslaw gang. He actually used to roll with us, but he was set tripping. He switched sides to a new gang called the fucking French Fry Ketchup gang. I was like, bro, that's some hoe shit. I'ma come to your home, bitch, and I'ma kill and rape your mom. And he was like, hell nah, you ain't, 'cause I'm about to do the goddamn same. I'm actually here right now on her bed, and she giving me head, and the gun is pointed at her. If she fucking makes one wrong move, she's fucking dead, dude. My mom had died that day. I didn't give a fuck. Fuck my mama. That bitch never did nothing for me. I mean, fuck her. Even if she did not give birth to me, it probably would be better. I'd make more cheddar and I would not be white. You know how fucking hard it is being white in the gang, man. Fuck that bitch. I hope her bitch ass fucking burns in hell. I was already living at a house down the street that the gang rented out, and there was like 20 peeps living in it. I slept on the floor. I gave no fucks. Our landlord, he took the door. We didn't pay rent for like 5 months, so we took the door off the hinges and left. We caught him one day and said, your bitch ass needs to fucking get that fucking door back on the hinges or we gon' blow you away. He kicked us out the next day. Anyway, I caught that bitch ass motherfucker who was set tripping with the French fry gang. He was alone, roller skating at the fucking park. It was 9 in the morning, y'all. There was about a bunch of kids outside because it was an elementary school. He was with his little brother, who was just only about 4, holding hands, roller skating. Shit was kinda cute. Still, that didn't stop me from taking my gun and starting to shoot. His little bitch ass brother, I wanted to get him too, but I guess I have a heart or some shit. I don't know, he got away. But his older brother could not say the same. 2 hits, he was dead, bang bang, and then the kids started running away. I'll always remember that day. A week later, the police came. Apparently, when there's like 50 kids outside and 10 teachers and adults, it's not a very good time to shoot. Who knew? So the case was open and shut. They even had me on the security cameras. What the fuck? I did not know security cameras recorded people. That sounds pretty fucking illegal. Like one time I fucked this bitch in the outside of a fucking Walmart. Did they see my dick on the camera? God damn ya. I went to court. Looked at the bitch ass judge. Grabbed my fucking nuts. I said, homie, you a bitch. With your gay ass wig. And your gay ass little dress. Why are you wearing a dress? Man, you look fucking lame, bro. He sentenced me to death. And he said under his breath, fucking little shit. And they changed the rules a bit for me, especially, you see, when lots of people get on death row. They wait somewhere between like 10 or 20 or even 30 years, yo. But not me. They executed me the same week. I thought that the bitch-ass governor or president would have pardoned me, but no, he didn't. And the way that they executed me was a little different. Instead of lethal injection or electrocution, shooting range, or even fucking hanging me, they had a committee take a vote. And then they said, yeah, let's go. What they did, they tied me to a chair. There was a viewing room. Looked like there was a party in there. Bunch of people dancing and singing and lights, and every once in a while they'd stop and they'd point and laugh at me. Even saw my daddy. Jeez, that's fucked up. Yeah, anyways, my dad was not there to watch me say goodbye. He was like, bitch, I'm glad your little ass finna die. He laughed and pointed the most. I guess I'm ready for death, I suppose. Then a man came in, holding a box. A cardboard box. It said, something on it that I could barely read. It was a hard ass word. It was like a jax. What the fuck's a jax? That's like busted nuts, right? Man, I know they ain't about to kill me with no fucking sperm. That's fucked up. I told the executioner, nah, I ain't dying from no jizz, homie. He said, what? I said, that's a jax, bro. Like, that means fucking jizzed, homie. Splooge. What y'all finna do? Like, pour that shit in my mouth? Waterboard me with some goddamn jizz? Fuck nah, homie. I ain't with that shit. He said, oh my god, this fucking idiot. Then he grabbed my nose. I was like, yo, what the fuck, you bitch ass hoe? And then he took the Ajax and he poured it down my throat. It burned so bad I could feel the fucking blisters and shit. I could feel the fucking blisters getting hotter. I needed some goddamn water. Nobody cared. They all were still laughing over there in the viewing room. Fuck you two little bitches, all 50 of you partying and shit. All of you fine ass women too. Then I fucking died. I am in heaven. It's pretty chill. Even though it's kind of like living on a hot dog grill. It's really hot. I hate it when my skin melts off and then that red fucking dude, I think his name is God, he got the head, the horns and the pitchfork, bro. He is a dork though. Talking about his favorite musical artist is Bjork. It's like, who the fuck is Bjork? He's like, oh yeah, you must hear Bjork. She's a beautiful Icelandic singer with a voice like fucking velvet. You must check out this LP of hers. Shoved it down my throat. I'm like, why the fuck is God such a bully, yo? I thought he's supposed to be about peace and love. Man, cut it out. That's so fucked up. Where's my fucking halo? God said, oh my god, this dude's an idiot. I was like, nah, I'm actually Irish, homie, but thanks. What the fuck?